Hello students, welcome back to my channel Lightup Knowledge and very warm welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video we will cover degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison of adjectives. This one will be part first and there is a separate playlist for adjectives in English language on my channel and the link of the same will be available right in the description box for you to check. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. Students, until now we already know that an adjective by nature is a describer. It describes what? It describes a noun or a pronoun, right? So, in today's video, we'll deal with the degrees of comparison of adjectives. We use them to describe or compare different nouns. So let's get started. So whenever that we are talking about degrees of comparison, we'll be comparing a noun, we'll be dealing with the noun, right? So in adjectives, basically the degrees of comparison is of three types. Okay, the first one is positive degree, the next one is comparative degree, and the third and the last one is superlative degree. We will discuss each of it in the upcoming slide. Positive degree of adjective. Now when do we use a positive degree of adjective? When we describe a single noun, like one noun, we use a positive degree of adjective. The example is that building is high. That building is high. We are not comparing it with anything, right? We are just describing, positively describing. Whenever we describe a single noun, we use a positive degree at that time. So high is a positive degree of adjective. The second degree of comparison is comparative degree. So a comparative degree of adjective compares two nouns. When we compare two nouns, we use comparative degree. You can see in this picture there are two buildings and building A is higher than building B. So there is a slight change in the usage of the word high that we had witnessed in the positive degree, right? Higher is the comparative degree for high used to denote two nouns. The third and the last degree of adjective is superlative degree of adjective. We use superlative degree of adjective when we compare more than two nouns and we choose one among all those nouns mentioned. Okay, we are pointing towards one and we are pointing that there is one thing that's best or worst or whatever in that particular group. Have a look at this example here. That building is the highest. That building is the highest. So there are many buildings, right, in the picture, but one of it is the highest, right, the tallest, the highest, right? So that is the superlative degree when we compare more than two nouns, right? So my dear students, this section brings an end to today's video class. I hope you enjoyed this video and you found it useful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. In the next video, I am going to share with you all the rules of the degrees of adjectives. So stay tuned in this playlist. All the important links of the playlist will be linked down in the description box. Until we meet next time, keep learning and keep growing.